Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll and find device unlock and tap on fingerprint and face unlock. Here we have to enter our current screen lock to confirm and tap on fingerprint. Tap on more, and tap on agree. So here we've got the information. Where is the fingerprint sensor, which is on the power button. It's located right here. And all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. Okay, now the edges. Okay, and tap on done. So this is the fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint, and here we can set the screen off unlock method. So either light touch, so we have to simply put our finger on the sensor and it will be unblocked, or firm touch, which means that we have to put our finger on the sensor and then press the power button. So I think that light touch is much more comfortable to use. All right, here you can decide what you'd like to use the fingerprint for. So unlock your phone and verify it's you in apps. It's up to you whether you want to customize it. So now simply lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor and the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.